What you can tell on this is a real stripped house. Like, this is a professional. Whoever took all this stuff, he's good. He's good. I mean, I will give it to him too. He's super niche. Didn't tear up hardly anything and took all the wiring and plumbing and HVAC. What a guy.
What a guy.
What a guy. What's up, everyone? It's Clarence and Ebony Graham here, and we are here at our new project. Ebony, you want to tell them a little about this one?
Yes, so this is one that we just acquired recently, and it is 20 units, 4 buildings here, and we are going to be walking you through this entire process. This one is one that we're going to have to take down to the studs and bring back up, so it's going to look totally different once we're done, and we're excited about it.
That's right, and what's so funny about it, it's already to the studs, so you'll see kind of, this is one that's really a total rehab, and you'll get to walk through us and see how it is, how we start out with them, and also get to see the finished product at the end. So we're excited. I want you to follow this journey with us and check us out online. So these are the ones that we were talking about originally, leveling down to the bottom and making he's so great. Making the laundromats in the drive, huh? But just can we push it like that and then raise the rest of it to give me some height? Because then I guess in my mind, and that's what I'm telling you, can we not, so you saying on that feed, we can tap off and do a bathroom off this and the kitchen?
All the walls are breached. If they're not separating from the original footer, then they breach.
Okay. Dang.
Yeah, they did.
Look, greedy suckers. But I mean, that come with it towards tearing down the roof anyway. I mean, we're gonna snap this roof off anyway.
Just patch it. Just patch it.
Just patch it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. I just want to find out what it'd be to tear this, like to tear the top parts down. Keep one on the end and we can come down here, just figuring out from the city, getting their approval so we can make sure we can place parking. That'll be cool. That's what I'm saying. But is that way we can tell?
Oh, these do look better.
I told y'all.
I see you got gas.
Oh, I'm gonna take out the gas completely. I'm gonna do nothing but electric.
It looks, I mean, it's bad, but it looks better. You can see the layout.
It's much better.
It's a kitchen, bedroom, bathroom.
Bet. Told you they look better. Dang, them boys took everything out of here.
Yeah, they did.
Now, what you can tell on this is a real stripped house. Like, this is a professional. Whoever took all this stuff, he's good. He's good. I mean, I will give it to him too. He's super niche. Didn't tear up hardly anything and took all the wiring and plumbing and HVAC. What a guy.
What a guy.
What a guy.
The thing with the bathroom is kind of like what she was saying.
What?
That door got to be at least 36 inches.
Dang. So it's out.
So I
anyway.
need to come out anyway.
Or you just go this way, right?
You can come this way, but then you
Eating into the room.
take it away from this room, and it's
Okay.
barely big enough.
Yeah, I would have it with a door. You walking in the bathroom like this.
That was the hot water tank.
Can you move it and do the short ones?
Yeah, but we're gonna have to push this wall. We would have to push this wall completely back. This ain't low bearing, is it?
Yep.
It is?
It's not lined up.
Okay. So yeah, that'll be cool. Then you probably can try to either eliminate the wall or push this back and rework it. That's fine.
Well, I think you need the wall because this is your kitchen.
I know, but I'm saying you're gonna shorten your kitchen up too much though. You ain't gonna have no much cabinet space. So.
And you have this panel you have to move
Yeah, that's
to this side.
All right, come on, we keep hitting. I was saying, this is what I'm saying that'll help us out though, is that's why the laundromats will work, because now we don't put no washing, you don't have to put a wash and dry in here.
Right.
You don't have no space.
No space.
So we need a laundromat here for the tenants. You know what I'm saying? In that side, block the wall off and level it, huh?
I say this way because you can come from the alley on parking.
Okay, that's right, that's good, yeah.
You don't have to create an entry
Right.
in the front.
Okay, let's knock these out.
Right there.
So that's what it was. That's why I was like this on the other side, because we just didn't see the wall framed up.
Right.
So that's how it originally was. The wall was framed up. There was a very small bathroom, just like this when you walk in. Mm-hmm. And you had everything set up with that toilet. And then there was that little bitty room and your 2 bedrooms.
Yeah.
Now I see.
Is this a closet?
I don't know. It's on the other side for the bedroom.
Because you're going to be able to
Oh, yeah, it is.
or nothing in here.
Yeah, it is.
Could we take it out?
You gonna have no closet for this room. Let's keep it simple though. I'm trying not to remove no walls or nothing. I'm gonna run cameras out. I'm gonna run some cameras around as construction is getting done. And depending on the cost, I might pay somebody to sit over it. If somebody cheap enough, you just have to run into the analysis for security during the nighttime, just when it get dark.
I think my brother-in-law can stay here.
You got to fix on one unit. We got to turn on one unit and put some power in. But he can't be in here scared. Shoot. You got to be a gangster around here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking white brick. The only other thing I would like to do, if it's not too expensive,
white bricks.
is I like the idea of what you're saying through the middle of the walkway.
Yeah, I got to figure that out.
So what do you want to play in?
I got to figure out a way to make that happen.
Concrete.
Bunker?
Just do concrete. I mean, ain't no way to make, only either the concrete or you're gonna have to do the blocks, and that's gonna be just the same. It's cheaper to do the concrete, and it's just the cost. You know what I mean?